Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix wrong post count on Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, the first thing that you need to do is head over to your app store and here on the search bar, simply type in Instagram. Now, once that loads, tap on Instagram and check to see if the app is up to date or not. Sometimes the lower version contains bugs which might be causing the problem to occur. So simply updating it to the latest version will fix the issue. Now once you are done with that, just go back and try again and that problem should be fixed. And if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is simply open up your settings app and here scroll down and then tap on general and now tap on iPhone storage, and once it loads, tap on Instagram. Now here you'll have two options, that is upload app and delete app. Simply tap on upload app and then tap on offload app to begin the process, and what this does is it clears all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app and it resets the app as a new. And once this process is complete, instead of this upload app, you'll have an option that says reinstall app. Simply tap on that, and once that process is complete, all you gotta do is just go back and try again, and that should fix the issue. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider serving to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.